Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to turn some scrap plywood, a chunk of hardwood, and an old outfeed from a cheap table saw I used to have into a wood vise with a quick release cam mechanism. Welcome back to Post 5 Productions. be the cams that I just drew out. This line here, that's 3/4 of an inch off from the outside edge of each cam. 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch. Because I'm going to cut slots in here for the cams to rock inside up against this inner piece. And this board is 3/4 of an inch thick, so it has to be at least that thick, and I want to hinge it out approximately 1/2 inch off of this board, so that way when I press down, it'll clamp it in like that, and that'll press this against those bars, give me a good friction fit. And when you release the cams, this will come back, relieving the tension, and you can slide this theoretically in and out. I'm gonna go cut these out quick. So in order for the cam mechanism to work, I can't drill the hole in the center because just like the wheels on your vehicle, it'll spin around freely. So I want to offset my center, my hinge point, up approximately 1/4 of an inch. So that way when I hinge it up here, it will belly out against that hinged portion of the vise. So when it's straight up like this, there'll be no tension. And I slide the vise into my material, and I hinge it there, and then when I push this down, that will press the hinged portion of the vise up against the material inside. So there's the center. Here's where we're going to drill a 3/8 hole for this 3/8 rod. So I marked out where the cams are going to go. Just need to drill it out with a 3/4 inch Forstner bit. I'll give you a little closer look here. Had some blowout when I was augering out those slots for the cams to go in, but oh well, this is just a test. Just putting thought to practice, see if it actually works. So slides in and out a lot easier with two hands, because I don't want it to slide much easier, because I want the good friction fit when there's pressure in here, so it won't come out. And now when you push these cams down, presses against the flap and really adds that extra pressure in there. No cranking on a lead screw, like a typical vise. I'm very surprised that that worked. Not entirely sure how practical it is, but this was just a test to see if I could make it, see if it would actually clamp something. And it does, surprisingly. So it's obviously not the prettiest thing, but I'm just going for functionality. I'm not trying to win any beauty awards, obviously. Thanks for watching, everybody, and until next time, you all take care. Bye.